Did you know some animals have developed unbelievable abilities to survive in the harshest conditions on Earth? From freezing temperatures to boiling heat, these creatures have adapted to thrive where most others would perish. Let's start with the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This tiny, almost indestructible creature can survive extreme conditions that would kill nearly any other living thing. Tardigrades have been found in the coldest parts of Antarctica, in boiling hot springs, and even in outer space. When conditions get tough, they enter a state called cryptobiosis, where they dry out and essentially come back to life when conditions improve, sometimes after years of being dormant. Next up is the Sahara Silver Ant, which lives in one of the hottest environments on Earth. These ants have developed a unique way to survive the Sahara Desert's scorching midday heat, which can reach up to 158 Fahrenheit. Their secret? They're the fastest ants on Earth, running at speeds of nearly 1 meter per second. By moving so quickly, they limit the time they spend on the burning hot sand. And they also have special reflective hairs that help them stay cool under the blazing sun. Another extreme survivor is the wood frog, which can survive being frozen solid. During the winter, wood frogs in the northern US and Canada will literally freeze, with their heart stopping and their body becoming a block of ice. But come spring, they thaw out and hop away as if nothing happened. Their bodies produce a natural antifreeze, allowing their cells to survive freezing temperatures without damage. Then there's the emperor penguin, which endures the brutal cold of the Antarctic winter. These birds huddle together in large groups to keep warm, and their bodies are perfectly adapted for freezing temperatures, with thick layers of blubber and tightly packed feathers. They also go without food for months while incubating their eggs, relying on stored fat reserves to survive one of the toughest climates on Earth. Lastly, consider the camel, the king of desert survival. Camels can go without water for days, and when they do find it, they can drink up to 40 gallons in one go. Their bodies are adapted to withstand extreme dehydration, and their humps store fat that can be converted into water and energy when food is scarce. These animals have evolved remarkable adaptations that allow them to survive in conditions that would be deadly to most other creatures. Which of these extreme survivors impresses you the most? Let me know in the comments.